Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. After a long time I come back with new video. This is a Honor 9X model phone and I will replace the battery right now. This battery is damaged, so I have a new battery. So now I'll show you how to remove the back cover and replace the battery. First you need to heat up the back side. You need hot air, remove the back cover. So now I have to remove the back side. Okay. So you have to remove this back cover, be carefully. See, some screw is removed, automatic remove to screw. So you have to remove this all screw here to remove this bolt. You need a star screwdriver to remove this all screw. Remove all the screw. Now have to remove this. Here is the disconnect this battery connection. And now have to remove the battery. This battery is damaged. See. So here is the new battery. So this is the new battery. So here is the new battery. I have to install it. You can see this phone is open. So now I will return back this plastic back cover. And before return back, I plug this fingerprint cable. So now return back all the screw. So almost done. Now I'll return this back cover. So I have to put some glue in the back side and return back the back cover. I have to put the glue in back cover. Now I return back. So almost the phone is ready. Remove the battery and replace the battery. So all everything perfect. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you.